Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. This is Ms. Rida Asif from SM Public Academy Campus 5. Lecture number 6. We are going to continue chapter number 4, algebraic expressions. Right? And the topic is today exercise 4.2, and the topic is order of algebraic expressions. Right? This is the topic for today. Okay, order of an algebraic expression. This is the topic in exercise 4.2. But before starting this topic, let's discuss what we have already discussed. Okay? We have discussed in our last class monomials, binomials, and trinomials. Okay? What is called monomial? Algebraic expression with single term is called monomial. Then with two terms is called binomial, and with three terms is called trinomial. ठीक है ना अली? अच्छा, where is Nusaiba's video? Aisha Hassan, Usman Abid. Who is Usman Abid? Bete, everybody turn on your, yes, very good Ramla. Everybody turn on your videos. Ola, Haya, Hajra, Iman Jahan, Talha Adnan, Jay Kumar, Iman Rashid, Bete Ahmed. Please, Abdullah, turn on your videos. I'm waiting. Okay, this is called trinomial. And then we discuss degrees. Okay, then we have discussed what is called degree. What is called, Abdullah, what is called degree? An expression which contains any variable having the largest exponent. Okay, here we can see any expression, either it is monomial, trinomial, or binomial, having any one variable with the largest power, with the largest exponent means power. That power is called the degree, right? Here, x is having the highest power, here is q. So the degree is 3. Okay? This is all about when only one variable is there. And what about when more than one variable is there? Here we can see x and y also. Okay? X ke saath we can see here y also. Look at this. Here not only x is there, here y square is also there. In such kind of cases, you have to add the powers. Okay? X is having no power mentioned, that means its power is 1. 1 plus 2, here we have to add the powers, we get 1 plus 2 is 3. So here the largest degree of the polynomial is 3. The degree is 3. Clear? What is the degree? The degree is 3. Rabia, you are saying that my voice is not coming? Rumesa? Acha, okay, Ramesa, okay. Everybody, my voice is clear, yes or no? Please quickly tell me through the chat box. Yes, okay. Clear and loud. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bete, Rabia, I think there's a problem with your side, at your side. Please, ठीक है? आप जरा अपने connections check करिए properly. Thank you so much, Anya. Ola, thank you. Thanks for informing me. Chaliye, let's continue. So this is, thank you, Jay. This is all about the degree. Okay? Single, when we are having single variable, to highest degree dekh lenge. When we are having more than one variable, we have to add the powers. We have to add the power, and then we have to check the highest degree. This is all we have discussed in our last classes. Now, today's topic is order of orders. We have to discuss the order of an algebraic expressions. So first of all, ascending order. Okay, ascending. What is the meaning of ascending? Ascending means from we are power, when the power is increasing from left to right. वैसे ascending का मतलब क्या होता है? Ascending का मतलब क्या होता है? Gradually you are increasing something. ठीक है? Ascending means we are, ठीक है? What we are doing? Ascend कर रहे हैं. ठीक है? Increase होना. So increasing from left to right. Okay? When the exponent is increasing from left to right, here this is a left, and to right if the degree is here increasing from left to right? Here we can see the degree of x is increasing. The degree here, x, no x is there. See, that means x power is 0, x power 2, x power 3, x power 4, right? So the degree is increasing. Please don't check the coefficients. Coefficient means the term which is written with x. Coefficient usko kehte hain, right? So the degrees means power. We have to check the powers. Powers are increasing. It means it's an ascending order. It's an ascending order. For example, write the following expressions in ascending order with respect to A. With respect to A. Now, here in this question, we have to check the degrees of A. Only A. Why? Because in the question, it is written that with respect to A. So here the degree of A is 3. Here the degree of A is nothing mentioned. Nothing mentioned, that means it's 1. Okay? It means 1, not 0. It means 1. Okay? Acha. Now here the degree of A is 2. Okay? So number 1, what we have to write at first, we have to write this degree. Okay? We have to write this term first because here the A power is 1. Then what we have to do? Then we have to write here A power 2. Okay? Now the third term and the last term will be 2A cube y. Okay? 2A cube y. Then we have to write down this term along with the sign. Okay? Don't forget to copy down the sign as well. Here this term containing the negative sign. So copy down the whole term with the sign as it is. Clear? Clear, everybody? Right? Now, check the next question, everybody. Check out the next question. Here 2 is only there. 2 means here A is having the power 0. A is having the power 0. So here A power 0 is there. A power 0. A power nothing, that means 1. A power 3. A power 7. A power 4. We just have to check A's. Why? Because with respect to A, we have to ascend them. But let's start with the smallest power. The smallest power is 0. So first we have written this. Then the second power will be A power 1. So just you have to copy down with the sign. Minus 3x cubed and A. Right? The next power is here A power 3. So just copy down this expression. Then the next power is 7 or 6. Yes, 6. So just copy down power of 6 here with the plus sign because the plus sign is with this term. Okay? Now the last term will be minus 1 upon 4 A power 7. The last term will be minus 1 upon 4 A power 7. Clear, everybody? This is the ascending order. Now what about the descending? Descending means, descending का मतलब क्या होता है? Decreasing. Descending means decreases. What is decreases? Exponent of any variable is decreasing from left to right. Okay? The exponent is decreasing from left to right. Here we can see the power of x with respect to x. So the power is continuously decreasing. 4, 3, 2 and 1 or 0? 0. Okay? Here x power, here no x is there. That means x power 0 is there. Right? So 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2 and 0. Here the variable power is decreasing. This is called the descending order. Right? Now, yes, Vanya, exactly. Now, Vanya, we have to write the following algebraic expression in descending order with respect to the given variable. Okay, it's not mentioned that which variable is there. Just look at the question, only one variable is mentioned. That means we have to check out the variable y's power over there. Okay, here y is having power 1, y having power 2, y power, no y is there, that means y power 0, y power cube, y power 5. Okay? So first what we have to do, first we have to write the biggest number. So the biggest number is this, ठीक है, -5y power 5. Then the next number will be 3, ठीक है, so we get plus y cube, then 5 3, and then we are going to write 2 y power square, then minus 4y square, right? Then here only y is there, that means y power 1, right? So we are going to write plus y, and then the last one is -7. The last one is -7. Again, I'm telling you that whenever only the constant is there, that means here variable is having the power, sorry, variable is y. So variable y is having the power 0. It's having the power 0. Clear, everybody? All clear? Now, the last example I am going to explain, then we are going to start the work. Bete, here y power 4, here we can't see y in the numerator, and when we shift the y from denominator to numerator, the power is going to be becomes negative. The power is will becomes negative when we shift y square from denominator to numerator. It becomes y power -2. Now here we can again see that y power 4 is in the denominator. When we shift in the numerator, it becomes -4, right? Now this is 4y, it's okay. Now again, this y cube is in the denominator. Just cut it and write it down in the numerator. It becomes -3 y -3. ठीक है, y minus cube. ठीक है. Now students, now just highlight the variables power. Here power is 4, here -2, here -4, here 1, here -3, and here no power is there. That means y power 0 is there. Y power, y की क्या power है यहाँ पे? Y power 0 is over there. Here y power 1 is over there. चलिए, let's start the descending order. With the descending order, first we have to write y power 4. Biggest power is 4. ठीक है. अब आप कहेंगे मिस -4 भी तो है, लेकिन नहीं बेटे, -4 here is the smallest power. ठीक है. Can't you see the difference between +4 and -4? +4 is the highest. ठीक है. +4 is the highest power, is the biggest power over there. So +4, then the next power is power 1. Just tick it and tick the variable over here, tick the term, and you get the +4y, right? Then after 1, there is sign -2, -4, no, -3 and 0. Okay, the next will be +6. Okay, now only the negative numbers are left. Between negative numbers may please remember this, कि -1 is bigger than -2, -2 is bigger than -3. ठीक है. नेगेटिव नंबर जैसे जैसे आपको लग रहा है कि बड़े हो रहे हैं, वो छोटे होते जा रहे हैं. ठीक है. -1 is bigger than -2, -2 is bigger than -3. Is it clear? So here, which one? -2, -4, -3. Which one is the biggest one from these three? -2. So I have written y plus 4 over y square. Then -3, -4, which one is bigger? -3. ठीक है. So we have written -12 over y cube, right? And what is the last one? +9 over y power 4. Clear, everybody? Exactly. ठीक है. -2, then -3, and then -4. Clear, everybody? Everything is clear? Any question? Can we start the class work? Okay, Aisha, everything is clear. Vanya, God, everything is clear. Hamza, Kashif, Amna, bete, can we start the work? Yes, Rabia, Hania. Be ready with your algebra copy. Yes, okay, Hamza. Hamza, bete, open your algebra copy, and bete, please look at the index for today. Today is Tuesday. Here, please mention the date here. This is the classwork for today, and here I make the index for your homework as well. Today we have to do the homework now. So this is the homework index for today. Okay? You can quickly check out your previous indices as well. This is index for today. Okay? This is a classwork index, and today I'm going to give you 4 bits from this exercise. ठीक है, ताकि अच्छे से आपको प्रैक्टिस हो जाए. चलिए, let's start. Question exercise 4.2. Yes, miss. Okay. We have last week we did 4.1 question 1 2. Then I have given you this homework. Today I'm going to check this classwork, homeworks, all classworks and homework of algebra copy. ठीक है? So on Friday we did question 3 and 4. ठीक है? And then today on Tuesday we are going to do this classwork, and this is your homework for today. I hope you all have maintained your indices. Question 1 part 135. Question 1 part 135. Chaliye, let's start. But again I'm telling you, Talha Zishan, if Talha Zishan, you are not here in the class, but when you check out this lecture, please, I'm telling you that you have submitted wrong work in, you have submitted arithmetic work in algebra copy. Please take the copy and make correction over there. I'm not going to check it out. Acha, now, this is algebra copy with 300 pages. Okay? Acha, now this is your book page of page number 77. If you are not having the book, doesn't matter. Here on the screen, the questions are mentioned. Okay? What you have to do, you have to attempt which questions you have to attempt. Question 1, bit 1, 3, and 5. Okay? Question 1, bit 1, 3, and 5. Quickly copy down the question. And question 2, bit 1, 3, and 9. Start solving the question. Here I want Safuram, Haya, Ula, Arib, Abdullah, turn on your cameras right now. Anamta, Talha Adnan, Fatma Nadeem, what happened with Ali Murtaza? Asya, what happened to you, Sanya? Everybody, Aisha, Talha, Abdullah, Abdullah bin Ishtiyaq, Afra, Iman, bete please, Mir Arham, Zainab, Ryan, please, everybody, turn on your cameras right now. I want to see your copy, that how you are maintaining your copy, how you are completing your work right now. This is not the way. Please switch on your cameras right now. Good, Talha. Very good, bete. Ali Murtaza, please don't show your face. Just show your copy, how you are completing your work. Just like Aisha Hassan. Everybody look how Aisha is showing me that how to solve the question. Okay? And this way, please. Adjust your camera in this way. Just like here, we can see Jay Kumar's copy. Very good, Jay. Vanya, very good. Very good, bete. Quickly. Yes. Iman, very good. You have switch on the camera. You have turned on the camera right now. Very good, bete. Chaliye, everybody. This is question number 1, bit number 1. Write the following algebraic expression in ascending order with respect to A. Okay? Acha, don't look at Y. Okay? Just check the power of A. Okay? Just check the power of A. Yes, Halima. Done question number bit 1? Have you completed? No? Achha, just quickly complete it. Ramla, have you completed bit number 1? Done? Acha. Ramla, can you please unmute yourself and give me the answer of bit number 1 once again? Where is once again? Ramla. Okay. Ramla, unmute yourself. Give me the answer of bit number 1.
Yes,
Yes.
Miss, मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
Bit number 1. Yes.
Yes, Miss. Bit number 1, 4ay square minus 5a square y cube plus 2a cube y.
Very good. Excellent. Excellent, I must say. Now, next turn. Any confusion, student? Okay, next one is Sheroz is raising his hand. Then Sumayya is also raising her hand. Very good. Yes, Sheroz. Yes, Sheroz. Bit number 3.
Miss x square plus 4ay square plus 2a square xy minus 2a cube x cube minus 5a 4 raised to the power 4.
Very good. Raised to the power. Excellent. Excellent. Now, next, Sumayya was raising her hand. Next one is Sumayya's turn. Yes, Sumayya. Bit number 5, Sumayya.
1/3 xyz 1/3 xyz minus 1/2a plus 2/5a square minus 3/7a 4.
A raised to the power 4. Excellent. Excellent. Now, next turn, we have completed question 1. Okay, we have completed question 1. Now, who is raising the hand here? Sumayya, Ali. These two students are raising their hand. Amna and Ali and Nuseba. Acha, 1 second, 3 of you. ठीक है, आपको turn by turn I will unmute you. First, let me read the question. Write the following algebraic expression in descending order. ठीक है, Amna, Ali, Nuseba. बेटे, we have to, what we have to do? We have to descending. Descending means decrease. The power must be decreasing with respect to the given variable. Now, it's not mentioned that which variable we have to descend, but just check out all the question. In every question, only one variable is there. Okay? So it's very simple. Descending means the power is decreasing from left to right. Now, the first turn is of Amna. Okay, Amna Maqsood bete, unmute yourself and give me the answer. Yes, Amna.
Miss,
Yes.
bit 1.
Yes, question number 2, Amna, bit 1.
Miss, x cube
Yes.
plus x square minus 2x minus 1.
Very good, Amna. Very good. This is called the descending order. Very good. Now, next one is here, Ali. Okay, Ali. Yes, Ali. Question number 3.
Miss, t minus t6 minus 2/3
Q.
t cube minus t minus 3/4 plus 3/4.
Plus 3. Very good, Ali. Very good. Plus 3/4. Very good. When no sign is there with first term, that means it's a plus sign. Very good, Ali. Excellent. Now, Nuseba. Nuseba's turn. Okay? Yes, Nuseba. Assalamu alaikum, Nuseba.
Walaikum assalam, Miss.
Ji bete. Now, this is question number 9. Is it difficult, Nuseba?
Yes, no.
No? Very good. Achha, now give me the answer. What will be the first term?
A4
A raised to the power 4.
plus 4a cube
4a cube, बेटे a cube तो है ही नहीं कहीं पे.
plus 4a cube.
Cube नहीं बेटे, there is no cube. Cube का मतलब होता है power 3. 3 power कहाँ है यहाँ पे? Okay, हाँ, 4a square. Very good. Now next.
Minus 6
Very good.
plus
Then
4/a square
very good.
plus 1/a4.
Very, very good. Perfect. Shabash. ठीक है? So I get the correct answer by my all student today. Very good. Excellent. ठीक है? So here we have completed our today's classwork. ठीक है? You all are completing right now. Talha Adnan. Talha Adnan, look at the screen. I'm looking at you. Everything is clear, Talha? Okay. Yes, Jay Kumar, everything is clear. Abdullah Ishtaq, look at the screen. Yes, everything is clear, Abdullah, today? Okay, that's great. That's great. So, I request you again, students, please. Abdullah, Rabia, Haya, Ayman Jahan, Ahmad, what happened to you, bete? Turn on your cameras. Zuhaib Irfan, I know that you all are having the cameras. Please turn on your cameras right now. Anamta, Asya, this is not the way. Hania, Sania, bete, please turn on your cameras. Okay? So we have completed the question. Ula, you are saying that you don't have camera. You don't have the camera. You all are having, you all are having the cameras. ठीक है? सबके पास cameras हैं. I know that you all are having cameras, but you are not turning it on. ठीक है? I am going to just note down the names of the students who are not listening to me right now. I'm going to note down the names. ठीक है? So have you completed this question? Turn on your cameras and show me your today's classwork as well. Yes, yes, Abdul Rahman, good. Omar Amjad, very good, bete. Afra, have you completed the work? Very good. Here, Hania's Fahim copy. We can see Hania's Fahim. Very good. You have completed your work, Hania. Can I show you your, Umar, can I show you your today's homework? Umar, show me your copy. Umar Amjad, show me your algebra copy, bete. Here we can see Aisha Hassan's work. Abdul Rahman, I want to see your work also. Okay? Quickly. Very good, Vanya. Here we can see that Vanya is completing her work and she is showing her work to us. In this way, I want your work. Okay, Ahmad Hassan, bete, I want to see your work right now. Okay, this is all for today. And let me show you your today's homework as well. You all have copied the question? Have you all copied the question? This is the assignment for today, students. Okay, this is assignment for today. 4.2 question 1, bit 2 and 4. Abdullah bin Ishtaq, this is the homework for today. Question number 1, bit 2 and 4, and question number 2, bit 2 and 4. Okay, please in this right corner, please write down HW capital. Okay, HW capital and mention the date. Okay, now it carries 5 marks. Question 2 carries 5 marks, 2.5 marks for each one. Okay, you have to attempt question 1 and 2, bit 2 and 4, and exercise you have to do practice exercise 4.1 of chapter number 4 algebraic expressions. ठीक है बेटे, for your convenience देखिए मैंने आपको यहाँ पेज भी पेस्ट करके दिया है. Question 1, bit 2 and 4, question 2, bit 2 and 4 for your homework. ठीक है हलीमा, ठीक है ना बेटे? So this is your homework for today. Now, so here we have completed our work. Now what I want from you, before saying thank you, I want you all to share your classworks and homework with me. Let's start with Ramla. Okay, Ramla, show me your index quickly. Here is we can see the index page chapter. Beta, please mention chapter number 4 algebraic expression. ठीक है, all the indices are mentioned. अच्छा Ramla, homework, okay, homework is mentioned over there. Okay Ramla, show me your today's work right now. Okay Ramla, show me your today's work. Vanya, next is your turn. ठीक है Vanya, be ready. Okay, here everything is mentioned by Ramla. Here we have completed 1 2 3 4 5 and acha, 6th question you are completing it right now. Very good. Okay, okay Ramla, next one is Vanya. Okay Vanya, this is the index we have started on 17th. ठीक है, 17 of August we have started exercise 4.1, question 1, 2, classwork, homework, everything is mentioned. Very good. Now turn the page, show me the midterm title page. Vanya, show me the midterm title page. I want to see each and every page. Okay, midterm, turn the next page. This is a title page and here we can see the subtitles as well. Very good. Now here question number 1. Question number 1 of exercise 4.1. We did these questions. Very good. Okay, Sheros. Okay. Now this is question number 2. Very good. And then this is the question number 1. Betty, this is a homework. Yes. It's mentioned that it's a homework at the top. Very good. So she has completed the homework as well properly. Very good. Now next page. On 20th August, we did this work. Very good. Excellent. Now turn the page. Now here we can see. Very good. Classwork as well, question number 4. And then, okay. Next page, yes. Okay, this is a today's work. Okay, ascending order is there. And she has completed question 1 and she has read classwork over there. Perfect. Turn the page. And this is the classwork, question number 2, bit 1, 3, and 9. Descending order is written as well. Everything is properly done by Vanya. Vanya, very good. Yes, Sheros. Thank you, Vanya. Very good. Here we can see the index. Very good. Now turn the page. Okay. Here, today's work, day. Very good. Day, exercise, question is properly mentioned. Everything is written. It's mentioned that it's in ascending order. Very good. Very good. Turn the page and show me the last question. Yes, Amna is also sharing her work with me. Amna, next turn is yours. Very good. Very good, Sheros. And he has also maintained the homework page as well. Very good. That's great. That's great. Shabash. Next is Amna. Very good, Amna. Very good. Everything is properly mentioned. Amna, quickly. Yes, very good. Very proper work we can see in Amna's copy. Here, ascending order is there. Very good, Amna. Very neat and clean handwriting. Very good. Acha, next page. Okay. Once again, 4.2 question number, bit number 1, very good. And bit number 2 is there. And then bit number 3 is, bit number 9, sorry. Bit number 9 as well. Very good. Very good. Now, who is sharing her work? Who is sharing? Halima is there. Okay, Halima, very good. Now show me today's work quickly, Halima. Very good, Halima. Perfect. Classwork, everything is mentioned. Very good. Excellent. Excellent, Halima. Very good. Now Sumaya is there. Sumaya, very good. Yes, Sumaya, show me today's work. Perfect. Oh. Here we can see the homework as well. You have completed the homework? Wow, that's great. So here we can see that Sumaya has completed homework and classwork as well. That's great. So here, exercise, Afra, we can see Afra's copy. Very good, Afra, very clear. Here ascending order is there, and a little bit cutting is over there, but it's okay, it's correct. Very good, Afra, very good. Yes, Ali. Very good. Ali, can you share your work with me? I want my student to sit like Ali, properly sitting in the uniform. Here my students, all students are sitting in proper uniform. Very good. Okay. So indices, you can see the indices. Very good. Ali, now show me today's work quickly. Hania, you are raising your hand. One second, Hania, next turn is yours. Okay, this is question number 3 and question 1. Okay, question 1, very clear, very clear. Okay, and next question, descending order. Show me descending order. Okay, very good. You are completing it right now. Very good. Shabash. Very good. Now here is, we can see Hania. But Hania, you are raising your hand, but I can't see your work. Yes, Hania. Question 1 and 2. Okay, now turn the page, Hania. Very good. Here we can see, very good. 4.1 is there. Very properly completed work. Very good. Yes, Hania, turn the page. Very good. Hania, can you show me the first homework which I have given you last time? First homework kya tha aapka bete? Can you show me the first homework? This is the homework. Algebra first homework. I have given you question 1, bit 2, 5. Question 1, bit 2 and 5. Homework question. Is it a homework question? 1 to 5. Okay, question 2, bit 1 to 5. Here we can see it's non-polynomial. Yes, it's polynomial. It is having 2 variable, x and y. The student, you can check your homework as well through this Hania's copy. Okay, everybody just check out your homework. Okay, this is again question number bit 5. It's a polynomial. It is having 1 variable x. Everything is mentioned here properly in the homework. I have given you this homework on 17th. ठीक है, check नहीं किया था. Hania, can you show me question 1 as well? This is question 2. Everybody check out your work. No, beta, this is not the homework. Ha, this is a homework. So this is question number 1, bit 1, bit 2. Sorry, I have given you the homework. Question 1, bit 2 and 5. I have given you question number 1, bit 2 and 5. Where is question 1, bit 2 and 5? It's not there. Bit 2 and 5. Okay, here it is. So here it is a polynomial and here it's a polynomial. Very good. So here we have just checked all the classworks and the homeworks by students.